Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Tomar, your maths mentor. And I welcome you guys in this very important session what we have designed for you based on income expenditure and with the title of increase income not expenditure. Okay, based on income expenditure with the title of increase income not expenditure. Okay, so please do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments as well about your joining. Okay, it is absolutely very important that you will let me know once you join. You will let me know once you join. Great. So good to have you all over here. So today we will entirely finish this topic about income expenditure. What are the different problems which comes in the examination from this topic? We will tackle all. We will tackle all, guys. What can come and what is coming. We will tackle all. One day, one subtopic gone. One day, one subtopic gone. Okay, so this is the strategy what we are following these days. One day, one subtopic gone. What are the basic things you should be knowing? Not too much. Not too much is income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Yeah, income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Whatever you earn, either you spend it or you save it. There is no third option. Whatever you earn, either you spend it or save it. Expenditure can also be written as spendings plus savings. Okay. So income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Okay, some will take, sir, what about investments? This investment part we will also take it in the spendings. Okay, this is for a salaried employed. This is for a salaried employee. This is for a salaried person. His income is equal to expenditure plus saving. So we can denote this as I is equal to E plus S. So savings is I minus E, or I minus S is equal to expenditure. So a lot of questions based over this is being made in the examinations. Lot of questions based over this is being made in the examination. There is one more relation which I want to tell you about income, about price and quantity. There is one more relation which I want to tell you is about, have you ever listened about expenditure? Expenditure is equal to price into quantity. Here it is a product relation. Here it is a product relation. Expenditure is equal to price into quantity. Like you purchase the table. You purchase a table of, let's suppose guys, 15 rupees per pen. You purchased a pen, 15 rupees per pen in a bulk. Let's suppose the quantity of 10. Let's suppose the quantity of 10. Then total expenditure over the pens is 150 rupees. So expenditure and price and quantity maintain a product relation. Expenditure, price and quantity maintains a product relation. The another way of writing is expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Consumption is also quantity. Consumption is also quantity. Like good evening, Sam. Like the rice or the rice is, let's suppose, 50 rupees per kg. 50 rupees per kg. You consumes means you eats, or you, like, the quantity required for your survival is per month, let's suppose 4 kg. The quantity required for your survival per month is, let's suppose, 4 kg. So the total expenditure is 200 rupees. The total expenditure is 200 rupees over the rice. So expenditure is equal to price into quantity. Expenditure is equal to price into consumptions. These relation you should be knowing. Here it is a product relation. Here it is a product relation. Product. So what happens in the product relation? My dear, what happens in the product relation is expenditure is price into quantity, or expenditure is price into consumption. So if expenditure is constant, then price is inversely proportional to quantity, or price is inversely proportional to consumption. Can you feel this? Can you feel this? If expenditure is constant, then price into quantity are inversely proportional to each other. If you increase the price, the quantity will decrease. If you increase the price, the consumption will decrease. Vice versa. If you decrease the price, the quantity will increase. The quantity will increase. Perfect. So all the questions which comes over these concepts in the exams, we are going to tackle in a single day today. We are going to tackle in a single day today. Okay. And that is going to be a good deal. That is going to be a good deal. That is going to be a worth deal. Okay. That is going to be a worth deal. Let's see. Both questions will come mixed. Yeah. Both questions will come mixed. You have to identify, my dear. You have to identify, my dear. Whether it is a question over income, expenditure, consumption, or it is a question over income, expenditure, and savings. Income, expenditure, and savings. So I'm developing this skill to identify the problem. I'm developing this skill to you to identify the problem. Price is reduced. 500 more sugar consumption for 36. That's 36 is the expenditure. This 36 is the expenditure. Price, consumption, expenditure. Price, consumption, expenditure. Sugar, quantity. Consumption means quantity. So price, quantity, expenditure. Price, quantity, expenditure question. Which question? Price, quantity, expenditure problem. Okay. Expenditure was initially 36 as well as now 36. So can I say expenditure is constant? Can I say expenditure is constant? Initially as well 36 and finally as well 36. Only you are decreasing the price, that is why quantity increasing. Only you are decreasing the price, that is why quantity increasing. Price reduced by 20%, reduction of 1 over 5. So price changing from 5 to 4. Expenditure is constant. Quantity should be changing in the inverse ratio, 4:5. Quantity should be changing in the inverse ratio, 4:5. Hello, Ishant Madhav. After a long time. Quantity increased by 1. Quantity increased by 1 according to the ratio, which is given as 500 gram more. Okay, this is original. This is new. You find out the value of ratio from quantity. So you can put it over here only. You find out the value of quantity from here. So you can put it out over here only. So if 1 is 500, then 4 is 4 into 500, 2 kg. And 5 is 5 into 500, 2.5 kg. What are these 2 kg and 2.5 kg? This 2 kg is original quantity. This 2 kg is original quantity and this 2.5 kg is new quantity. So one easier question can be this much, that what is your original quantity and what is your final quantity? What is your original quantity? What is your final quantity? This is an advanced version, asking the original price. Original quantity is 2 kg and final quantity is 2.5 kg. These two questions are advanced versions, asking about the original price and final price. Guys, you cannot find out the price directly from here. It's a big no. Because The value of 1 you have find out from quantity, so you can put it over here only. It's a big no that you cannot find out the price directly. Note it down. Note it down. Note it down that you have find out the value of ratio from quantity, so you cannot put it directly in the price. Big no, big no. Okay. So original price is basically expenditure upon original quantity. And final price is expenditure upon final quantity. Expenditure is 36 and original quantity is 2 kg. So it is 18 rupees per kg. Answer. Some concepts formed, my dear. Some concepts redefined. Why does we do something? Why does we don't do something? Is all that concepts refined? Because that was my motive, to refine the concepts. Why we put out the value from here, why we don't put the value over here. These kind of silly things which we avoid, which we generally don't know, create the problems to us. Chalo, let's move on. Please do watch out whether the question is of price, expenditure, and or. Now you have to identify by yourself, dear. Price, quantity, amount spent, expenditure. So expenditure is price into quantity. Change in price given, change in quantity given, and change in expenditure asked. So nothing is constant over here. Price is changing, quantity is changing, so expenditure will also change. So I can say change in expenditure is change in price into change in quantity. Price increasing by 36%. Can I say 100 to 136? Can I say 100 to 136? Obviously. Price increasing by 36% means 100 to 36. Quantity decreasing by 30%, 100 to 70. So this is expenditure final upon expenditure initial. So 1000, 7 6 ja 42, 2. 21 plus 4 is 25, 2, 952. So expenditure final upon expenditure initial is 1000 over 952. Expenditure final upon expenditure initial is 1000 over 952. It's decreasing. By 48, I think. It's decreasing by 48. So decrement of 48 over the original of 1000 into 100 is 4.8% decrease. Is 4.8% decrease. Come on, do watch out. Absolutely great. Guys, absolutely great or not? Come on, tell me quickly, fast. Let's move on. Do some more exciting problems. Do some more exciting problems. Price of egg reduced by 20%. 20 more eggs. Quantity is increasing for rupees 40. So expenditure is same. Initially as well 40 and finally as well 40. Because of reduction in price, you are buying more quantity. Because of reduction in price, you are buying more quantity, but your spendings are still 40. Your spendings are still 40 only because of decrease in the price, you are buying more quantity. Price reduced by 20%, so 20% is about a reduction of 1 over 5. So price changing from 5 to 4. So quantity should be changing in the inverse ratio 4 to 5. Quantity increased by 1 given as 20x. This is original. This is new. Guys, is new is the original price? Is new is the original, is new is the reduced price or original is the reduced price? Delete karo, comment karo. Is new is the reduced price or the original is the reduced price? Obviously, the new is the reduced price. But we cannot find out price directly. We cannot find out price directly. We have to find out the reduced quantity first. 1 is 20, then 5 is 100x. 5 is 100x. Okay. 5 is 100x. So now we can find out the reduced price as expenditure upon reduced quantity. Reduced quantity. Expenditure is 40 and reduced quantity is 100x. So it is 40 paisa per egg. Is it absolutely clear? Hello, Sohan. Is it absolutely clear, my dear? Come on, tell me. Is it absolutely clear or not? Perfect. Perfect. Come on, tell me now. Tell me now. change in expenditure is equal to change in price into change in quantity. Expenditure increasing from 100 to 108. Price changing from 100 to 120. What is the change in the consumption? 100 cancel out. So 108 upon 120. So consumption initial upon consumption final, quantity initial upon quantity final is in the ratio 120, 108. So there is a decrement of 12 over 120 into 100, 10% decrement. There is a decrement of 12 over 120 into 100, that is a 10% decrement. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me, guys. Is it clear to all? Let's move on. Income, expenditure, saving. Okay. Chalo. Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy the variety. Let's enjoy the variety. Spending means expenditure. Income, savings. Income, expenditure, savings. Income, expenditure, savings. Do you know the relation? Do you know the relation? Income is equal to expenditure plus savings. A man spends 75% of his income. If the income is 100, then his spending is 75 and saving would be 25. There is a new method which I'm going to give you today. There is a new method, guys, which I'm going to give you today, is the write income, expenditure, savings in the ratios form. In the ratios form. So 1 ratio 3 ratio 4. So income, expenditure, savings is in the ratio 4, 3, 1. And obviously they maintain a relation of plus. Now, whatever the change happening with them, now I can deal with this change directly. Now I can deal with this change directly. Income increases by 28%. Just multiply income by 28%. Expenditure increases by 20%. Directly multiply by 20%. 112%, 60%. What should be added in 60 to make it 112? 52. So 52% change in the savings. 52% change in the savings over the quantity of 1. 52% divide by 1, 52% increase. The fastest. The fastest. Once you do 4 to 5 examples with me, you will just love it. Once you do 4 to 5 examples with me, guys, you will just love it. Okay, let's move on. Chalo, this we will do it later, because now this is the homework for you. Okay, this is the homework from you because this is from the previous variety. I will see the comments. 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 This is the homework because this is from the previous variety. Let's take the new ones. Income, expenditure, savings. Income, expenditure, savings. Suman saves 33, 1/3% of her income. 30 is 1/3. 1 is the saving, 3 is the income. 1 is the saving, 3 is the income. So income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Income is 3, saving is 1, so expenditure is 2. Already in the simplified possible ratio. Already in the simplified possible ratio, 3 to 1. 3 to 1. Okay. Income given by X%, we does not know. Expenditure increases by 10%, so 20%. Savings increases by 22, so 1 into 22, 22%. So overall change in the income is 44%. 42%. 42%. 42% over the quantity of 3. 42% over the quantity of 3 is an effective increment of 14%. Over and out. Just some words, just some spatial writings, just some modifications, and it's over. 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 Isn't it? Just plus minus. Just plus minus multiplications. Okay. Just plus minus multiplications. Let's move on. This is from the previous, I think. Price, sales, revenue. So revenue is also price into sales. Na? Revenue is also price into sale. So this question is over the product one only. This question is over the product one only, guys. Revenue is also equal to price into sales. Okay. So this is already based on that. Revenue increases by 60% from 100 to 160. Price reduced by 20% from 100 to 80. What is the change in the sales? Sales final upon sales initial is in the ratio 1:2. Sales is getting double, so 100% increment. Sales is getting double, so 100% increment. Sales is getting double, so 100% increment. Or you can say sales is increasing by 1 over the initial value of 1 into 100, 100% increment. For the very first time, guys, I have taken both income expenditure type questions. I have taken today income expenditures as well and income savings as well. Usually, I used to take it differently. But what is the problem with that? The problem with that, guys, is the students are not able to connect the things. Okay. So now I'm taking both of them parallelly. So you should be very, very aware about the relation. That at one place it is income expenditure saving, at another place it is about income expenditure and quantity. Price, expenditure and quantity. So you should be able to deal with both the problems simultaneously. Otherwise, there is no benefit of it. Income, expenditure, savings. income, expenditure, savings. Income is equal to expenditure plus saving. A man spend 65% of his income. Out of 100, spend 65, save 35. Find out the simplified possible ratio. 5 7 ja, 5 13 ja, 5 20 ja. Income, expenditure, saving is in the ratio 20 13 7. Income, expenditure, saving is in the ratio 20 13 7. Income increases by 20.1%. Expenditure increases by 25%. What is the change in the saving? 20 into 20, 400. 400 into 0.1 is, I think, 402. This is 25 into 10, 250 plus 75, 325. So remaining is savings, 77%. 77% over the quantity of 7 is effectively an increment of 11%. Look at the wonders. Look at the wonders. Just imagine it. Just feel it, guys. Look at the wonders what it is creating. Isn't it? Positive, na? Positive, so increment. Positive. If this would be negative, income is equal to expenditure plus saving, na? So this is positive. So plus 77 by 7, 11% increment. 11% increment. Next. Are you finding this stuff? This is homework for you based on the first type what we have taken. This is homework for you based on the first type what we have taken, income, expenditure, quantity. Let's see the income, expenditure and saving questions. Let's see the income, expenditure and saving questions once more. Expenditure of a family is 75% of the total income. So wherever the income comes, it becomes a question of income plus expenditure is equal to savings. So if income is 100, expenditure is 75, saving is 25. So they are maintaining the simplified possible ratio of 134. They are maintaining a simplified possible ratio of 431. Income increases by 40%. So 160% increment. Expenditure increases by 20%. So 60% increment. Remaining is the increment in the savings. 160 is equal to 60 plus 100. 100 over the quantity of 1, 100% increase. 100 over the quantity of 1, 100% increase. 100 over the quantity of 1, 100% increase. Isn't it very, very simple? Basic class 12, basic class 10 multiplications. Basic class 10 multiplications, huh? Let's move on. That price, expenditure, quantity type of questions. So let's do this as well. Let's do this as well. I can create 2 sessions as well, guys. However, let's see how does it I want, guys, none of you should get confused. Otherwise, I will take 2 different sessions of it as well. Yeah. However, my intention was to make your thought process better. To make your thought process better, that is why I'm taking both the questions parallelly. That at one place, it is about the question of income. At another place, it is about the question of price, expenditure, quantity. Yeah. At another place, it is the question of price, expenditure, quantity. At one place, it is income, expenditure, and savings. Expenditure is common in both. Expenditure is common in both. Price of a pen decreases by 20%. 10 more pens, quantity is increasing. For rupees 100, expenditure is same. So it is the question of expenditure is equal to price into quantity. If expenditure is same, then price is inversely proportional to quantity. Then price is inversely proportional to quantity. Price is decreasing by 20%, decrement of 1 over 5. So price is changing from 5 to 4. So quantity will be changing from 4 to 5. Quantity increasing by 1. 1 is given as 10 pence. Original 40, final 50. Original quantity 40, final quantity 50. New price. Okay, this is original, this is new. So for new price, it is expenditure upon new quantity. Expenditure is 100, new quantity is 50. So 2 rupees per kg, 2 rupees per pen. Is things are becoming fast or not? Is things are becoming fast or not? Yeah, Sudhakaran, why not? Why not? That is why I'm taking them, na? Each and every one from your exam. No one is outside, no one is from outside, yeah? Each and every one from your exam. Okay. So, this is about, guys, our SAFALTA batch, SSC CHSL 2020 English medium. You can apply the code SSC50 and get enrolled in this CHSL SAFALTA batch, which is very cheaply available. These are the features included inside it. It consists of live classes, foundation, class PDFs, daily practice papers, current affairs question, instant doubt resolution, current affairs magazine, and everything else. Okay. So this is what were yesterday. Thank you very much, guys. Please do revise the sessions very die-heartedly, very dedicatedly, and whatever the doubt you feel like, always come back to me. Always come back to me, guys. I would be waiting for your comments. Always come back to me. Okay, whatever the comments, whatever the doubts you feel like, come back to me. Okay, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you. Have a very, very, very good time, guys. Keep reading, keep smiling, and keep studying. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.